Hi guys, today I'm going to do a Sculptra treatment and a Dysport treatment on a very good friend of mine who happens to be an Instagram and a YouTube celebrity and somebody also in the beauty industry. She's very big into at-home microneedling. So her name is Jen Amber and you're going to get to watch her treatment today. Jen's Sculptra and Dysport treatment. If you get a chance, follow her on Instagram and follow her YouTube. I know I follow her and learn a lot from her. Book recommendations, all sorts of things from her.
And he's very good doctor, injector. I've been coming here for like 5 years, I remember. He's really good. I love him so much. He's very professional. And follow him. Follow me, Jen Amber X on Instagram, YouTube, Jen Amber. Thank you guys so much.